Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Max and the Cow by Anna Mitkevich. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Max and the Cow. This is Max. He is 3 years old. He is very curious. Today, Max and his mom are visiting a farm. They are playing a guessing game. Close your eyes, Max, says Mom, and guess who says hello to you. Listen carefully. Max closes his eyes. I don't hear anything, he says. Listen again. Do you hear moo, moo? Who says hello to you? Asks Mom. Somebody is making a loud noise, says Max. It's a cow. It says hello to you. Cows say moo, moo, explains Mom. Can I say hello to the cow? Asks Max. Sure, you can also say moo, moo, says Mom. Max is shouting, moo, moo. The cow is waving its tail and eating grass. Mommy, look at the small cow. Isn't it her baby? Asks Max. Yes, it's called a calf. Baby cow is a calf, says Mom. Oh, he's so cute. Hello, calf. Moo, moo, says Max and smiles. Cows are good animals, says Mom. They give us milk. You like milk, don't you? Yes, I love milk. I love milkshakes, says Max. Hooray for cows! Thank you for the yummy milk, dear cow. Moo, moo, says Max with a big smile. Max and his mom are going inside to have some milk and cookies. The cow and the calf are eating green grass. The end. You can buy this book on Amazon. The link is in the video description. Did you like my story? I hope you did. Can you answer my questions? Let's see how well you remember the details. How old is Max in this story? Max is 3 years old. And how old are you? Okay. What is the story called? What is the title of the story? It's called Max and the Cow. Are Max and his mom playing a guessing game or hide and seek on the farm? They are playing a guessing game. What animal does Max see? Max sees a cow. What is a baby cow called? It's called a calf. Max loves the cow and her calf, doesn't he? Yes, he does. What do cows give us? Cows give us milk. Does Max like milk? Yes, he does. He likes milk. He likes milkshakes. Do you like milk or milkshakes? Can you tell me what happened in the story? Can you pause the video and tell me? Very good. What does Max learn in this story? Did you learn any new words today? Did you like this story? I hope you did. You are so smart. You know what? Books are amazing, and so are you. Thank you for reading with me today and for answering my questions. See you next time. If you like the way I read books aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.